She wrote it, I read it, she started filming, Bangi, and then we ran with it. It was like the best feeling in the world because you created something. Also,
Amazing. And you also screened this
we
recently, right?
screened it everywhere we went.
I
We got
obviously wasn't
into.
invited to any of those
No,
screenings.
now you will. Now you will. Now you'll be
I
invited to
have no
everything.
idea what it looks like.
Now, that's it.
I'm just being in the present consciously is
Bada
pretty-
mushkil hai, bada mushkil hai.
It's very relaxing. Just not to borrow from the future or live in the
It
past.
is.
Just being here right now, me and you chatting.
I
mean,
think
that's-
you and I
that's pretty
chatting
fun.
has been the most present I've been
Yeah.
in like
A while.
a really long time because I haven't checked my phone and I think I'm a different person in Saraiki.
Yeah.
I'm a very more at ease and funny person.
Right.
And like willing to take very like pange with people in
Right.
Saraiki or
Because
like
Saraiki doesn't sound like an aggressive language. True.
कोई उसमें वो नहीं
Absolutely.
like
So,
that's
I mean,
it.
connection is like everything, right? And you can find it anywhere. I mean, I've started recently playing golf, and I've found everything together in one couple of hours, like friends, nature, sport.
I get it.
Everything is.
I
one.
get it.
I'm shocked by how amazing
When did you
it is.
start golf?
Yeah.
I also feel like I don't know if it's after 40 thing. Or are you post 40? I don't know.
Yes, I'm
Okay, good.
45.
But actually, I'm all talking about all this stuff. And you don't even know.
Way past 40.
Okay, good. So, it's even something like trying new things. Like
Right.
when I was a kid, I was like, no, I'm
Yeah.
only going to do things that I'm good at. And like subconsciously, obviously.
Absolutely.
And after 40, I'm like, no, I'm going to try new things. Like paddle for me is what you're talking about, golf.
Right.
And I'm like, I learned a new shot.
completely new thing.
Yeah.
Your
new
brain kind of
groove.
rewires.
Yes.
Yeah.
And it grows and it expands
Yeah.
and you learn and you fail and you grow.
I mean, it's the same with the learning a new language or learning new words. Learning new words is a completely rewiring of your sort of brain activity.
Exactly. And when you're feeling it,
Have
when
you, do you speak another language apart from Urdu
I
and
know
English?
I
you
know
speak
Saraiki,
right?
yeah. I
is
don't
your humor in Saraiki different than anywhere any other language?
I really don't want to go there because I can be really embarrassing, and if my parents watch this, they'd be like,
Right,
I have to keep a bit like if I want to send this to my mom, and I do. And
No,
my
but
dad,
is your sense of humor different in Saraiki than
of
in
course,
other languages?
I think I'm a different person in Saraiki.
Yeah.
I'm a very more at ease and funny person.
Right.
And like willing to take very like pange with people in
Right.
Saraiki or like
Because Saraiki doesn't sound like an aggressive language, so you
Yeah,
can
it's
probably
very
get away
sweet
with a
और
lot.
Basically Saraiki के अंदर आप बहुत like hardcore thing बहुत sweetly कह सकते हैं.
हाँ,
You know
बिल्कुल,
जो आप
बिल्कुल,
English के
बिल्कुल.
अंदर आप नहीं कह
हाँ,
सकते.
yeah.
So yeah, definitely, and I can understand Punjabi obviously because of that. And I studied, but I'm not very, you have your fortes.
Yeah.
Like I can, if I watch a video, and that's why I've told my husband, I was like, do not, he's like, ye dekho. I'm like, nahi, main nahi dekh sakti because I can't unwatch it, like I can't unsee it.
Get it out
And
of my head.
he's like, he didn't believe me. Like first, I don't know how many years, I was like, stop showing me these weird videos
Yeah.
or scary videos.
Yeah.
I can't unsee it. And he's like, oh, okay. But it's true. Like, but with languages, like studied French for like half my life in my school. मुझे कुछ याद नहीं है. Like except like je m'appelle Meher. and,
मुझे
like,
भी कुछ
terrible-
याद नहीं. I also studied for like
I'm
3
like,
years.
what is that? Urdu? Oh my God, Urdu. Every year, my mom, poor mom of mine, she tried so hard. She was like thinking that it's her failure that I'm not learning Urdu. It nahi hai aptitude, yaar. My sister was 3.5 years younger than me. And every year she would be ahead of me in Urdu because I had to redo the qaida.
Right.
Nahi aa rahi, like, kya? Like I tell my kids now, I'm just like, we used to be so hard on ourselves because the world was different. Now I tell them, listen, you can't be good at everything. Pick a lane. And then that doesn't mean you get C's in the rest.
No, of course. And also,
Lekin-
I mean, Urdu is something it's much easier for, I think, everyone to kind of understand. But writing in Urdu or
भूल
doing
जाओ, मैं
different
तो पढ़ भी
tasks-
नहीं सकती.
So, short films. Let's get to that. How did it start? What are you doing exactly?
I
Give us a
love
bit of
short
a like an introduction of what exactly
So
you're doing.
when I started Mindful Missy,
Yeah.
I was in that zone कि हर चीज़ explore करनी है. Website, I started doing my own covers. I was like, again, storytelling. Like I wanted to tell the stories of all the healers that I had met.
Right.
And so that, and talk about inner work and how like now we need to do that. Of course, it's a worldly journey. But वो आपको worldly journey 30s के अंदर हो inshallah, mashallah, I don't know, हो जानी चाहिए. Like you have some sense of where you're going in your life.
Right.
And then post that, you're like, okay, I need to start having some kind of inner work practices. So it started like that. And then हर चीज़ ही
So you specifically had a genre in mind for the short films, like mindfulness and things like that?
No.
Okay.
So I started like this, inner work. And then through that, I started, this friend of mine, Maria, came to me, and she was also venturing into writing and directing. And we were thinking of, like, you know how you have these conversations, or like, you make plans like hum yahan ja rahe hain girls trip pe, they don't happen, but that plan happened. She was like, let's make a short film. I want to make it about it was called Settled, and we were like, this is our baby. And I was like, let me help you edit this. And she was very good at, like, she wrote the script and everything, and I was like, nahi ye yahan se nahi. I was very involved. And it was called Settled, and the idea was that we had both gone through this, like, you know, sometimes they say that the story you can tell the best is something that you've experienced.
Right.
It doesn't have to be perfect.
Yeah.
And anything first time you do it will not be perfect.
Yeah, of course.
But that's not the point. If you can evoke, if you tell it with your heart, you can evoke something in the
Right.
next person, right? So we decided to call it Settled. And it was a whole concept of like how they see people are like, hi, हमारे बच्चे settled हो जाएं, marriage की quality जो भी है, but वो
Alright.
settled हैं on the
Right,
face of it.
Very
so,
nice.
Yeah, it was amazing. It was amazing. So
nice.
she was like, I have this idea. And then I was like, पता नहीं अब you know, कब बनेगा. She wrote it. I read it. She started filming, Bangi, and then we ran with it. It was like the best feeling in the world because you created something also.
Amazing. And you also screened this recently,
We screened it everywhere we went to.
I
we
obviously
got
wasn't
into,
invited to any of those
No,
screenings.
now you will. Now you will. Now you'll be invited
I
to
have
everything.
no idea what it looks like.
Now you'll be invited to everything. We screened it. This was like अब मुझे नहीं याद, COVID से पहले था.
Right.
ठीक है, and we went. And it was, I don't know how, it just had a life of its own. We got into like festivals. We were like, festivals?
Right.
हम दोनों बैठ के लाहौर
Amazing.
में. So we got into festivals. Lams में हुई, यहाँ हुई, Islamabad में हुई, America चली गई, वो उसको लेके यार. It was like the best feeling ever. I hosted a screening, called my parents, called my in-laws, called everybody. It was, but also when you make something creative, it's like putting yourself. And I was like, and
No, absolutely.
everyone's watching it. I was like, I don't know
It's
how
probably
to
most like the most vulnerable,
very
like,
vulnerable.
hidden aspect of yourself.
It was so vulnerable, and we did it, and then we made another one.
So
and
this
then
is one of your own.
Yeah.
You were part of this thing,
Yeah.
but now
This was the,
this forum is open to
yeah,
other filmmakers
This
and
was
stuff.
the most involved I was because it was the first, and
Yeah.
then we made another one,
Yeah.
me and Maria, but that was all together her brainchild. And I was like, I will support you in every way that I can.
Right.
And then then I've executive produced 2 more, but again, I'm not us tarah involved anymore कि मैंने writing करनी because I
Right.
realized that while I have my fortes and I have my qualities and I have my strengths, which are many, mashallah. Not going to be humble after 40 either.
No, go for
but they are not writing scripts or editing
of course,
scripts,
I
and
mean,
let the people who are good at it
Right.
do it. And I will be in a supporting role as the executive producer, as hosting screenings, as getting people there, as doing the marketing, all the stuff that I've learned.
Right. So is it like a certain format which I mean I'm just I want to put it out for people who want to probably submit short films or are into short films just to kind of get this forum happening. So is there a certain format which people need to
No,
send?
I'm
And what's the
very-
duration of a short film?
Basically, most of them, the average is 15 minutes.
Okay.
और वो जो filmmakers उनको पता भी था. Another thing that I realized that because of COVID and social media and I don't know age, we don't have attention spans.
Right.
It's eroded.
Of course.
I can't sit through movies.
I mean 15 minutes is also a long time.
I'm like phone नहीं उठा, like oh my god, like तो 15 minutes से ज़्यादा मेरा नहीं है, ठीक है. और लोगों
Doom
का भी
scrolling has got us.
Scrolling has got us.
Yes.
And by the way, there's a word, you probably know it, that it's a new genre, which is that they make them in the way that you can be on your phone and still follow the story. It's called something.
ADHD.
No! It's called something. It's a way of now making films. I will... देखो मुझे चीज़ें याद रहती हैं.
Like
word
which you
नहीं
could
याद.
just listen to it like a podcast.
कि यूं करके यूं करके.
Yeah. I mean, you
It's
can
called
like
something.
speed read it, right?
No,
Like kind of speed
it's
reading
called...
it.
it's a new
I mean,
way.
you can speed read these books now. There's a bunch of apps
Chat
that you can
GPT is my
text.
new best friend.
Really? For books?
For everything.
Really?
I'm like ChatGPT. This is what I would say to my son. What should I say? ChatGPT.
God.
This is why I'm invited to a podcast. This is the guy.
Yeah.
This people's pictures.
Is that ChatGPT's notes?
Everything. AI. Use AI.
Well, I mean, मुझे तो आपके रास्ते नहीं याद रहते. I can't go anywhere without Google Maps anymore.
मैं तो see,
मैं मॉल टाउन से बाहर ही
I
निकल
don't
सकता if
remember
you
anyone's
leave me
phone
without my
numbers.
phone.
I don't even remember anyone's phone
No,
numbers.
no one remembers phone numbers. For landline के time पे you'd always remember phones
you
numbers,
had to.
right? और वो थे भी 5 numbers, I think, या 4 या
मुझे
5
कोई नहीं
होते थे.
याद. Nothing. I just know my own number.
We're going to take a short coffee break.
Okay.
Yeah, and we'll be right back.
All right.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
Hope you're enjoying your coffee.
I love my coffee.
So, when you're picking a film, are you influenced by a certain aesthetic or a specific message generally when you're screening or
So
choosing?
when I was younger and I wanted to be a businesswoman like my dad, I was very about like logic and like, you know, this should be a system. Now I think it's a post-40 thing. I don't know, I'm being a mother of 5 kids. Intuition, I don't know what it is. But I am no longer thinking like that. And the only thing I think when someone sends me a film to see is if it evokes something in me.
Right.
It can annoy me, it can make me cry, it can make me angry. It's just that. And I feel like that's the power of cinema that sometimes, and that's what I think where it ties into even group therapy or inner work, is that it makes you realize that what you've been carrying alone is not something that you need to carry alone.
Right.
Because it's like someone else has thought of it, someone else has felt it, someone else has experienced it.
Right.
So what you think you were carrying alone is not like that. So and my litmus test for even like saying I'm on board and I'm gonna help you with this and I'm gonna do the screening is like if it evokes something in me.
Right.
Good, bad, ugly, doesn't matter.
I mean, that's
Like it makes you
fair
feel
enough.
something.
Right.
And it is very hard to make you feel something, especially us with that eroded attention span in 15 minutes.
Right. Absolutely.
It's very hard.
So tell me, what's the most difficult thing in making a 15-minute short film?
I think storytelling is very hard. Chota karke.
But generally, is there like a formula for a 15-minute thing which people follow, or it's like it's more creative?
I
guess?
think it's very creative,
Yeah.
and what really works is that when, again, like I said, like if you tell your own story, and if you do it justice or you tell it from the heart, even if it's imperfect, it will evoke something.
Right.
It will evoke something in the audience.
Right. And are you also open to like AI-based short films?
By the way, someone, yes, I am. I'm open to everything now.
Right.
I'm just like, send me whatever you have. As long as it's a short film, because feature की तो मेरे अंदर patient थी, तो how can I invite people and be like, आप ये देखें 2 घंटे की?
Right.
बहुत मुश्किल है.
But I mean, people want to tell a story. AI is open to complete
New world.
door for it. I mean, no production required, no actors required. Maybe a good
I'm open
script,
to
a good
everything.
idea.
There's a new studio called Puffball, I think. They're doing animation and they're doing all these very hardcore subjects, but in a animation.
Right.
I met another person that day at my screening who's also doing animation, a young student. So cute, so
Right.
cute. I love these, like, you know, like those abhi you're starting out and and it's we need that.
That energy is
That
contagious.
energy,
Yeah.
we need that. Like we
Right.
need all of us, like the young looking old people like us,
Right.
and then the old people and the young
Looking
people
young,
and and we need everything. I feel like everything is important
Right.
in this whole ecosystem of like. And another thing I realize is that we are so resilient, Pakistanis. Like the cinema goers, jo real wo wale who want to feel and they want to connect and they want to sit in a dark cinema next to a stranger and feel something.
Right.
You know, and then the format is so beautiful with a short film because uske baad panel discussion hota hai. And you discuss it further and, there's such meaningful conversation. And I think as time is going by, there's very few avenues or safe spaces for those conversations.
Right. And also short films kind of invoke like a range of emotions in like a very short period of time.
That's all
so
we
I guess the impact is much longer for something like
Yeah.
this. और उसकी recall भी ज़्यादा रहती है.
Yes. So abhi jo maine screening, last screening I had, I'm trying to do it once a month because then people also like, stop inviting us, like, and the cinemas also like whatever. So I'm trying to do it once a month. And abhi jo the screening I had, one of my friends.
Once a month.
Once a month.
So there are enough filmmakers who are sending you
Oh my
short
God,
films.
yeah.
Amazing.
We are booked for like till,
Amazing.
Oh my God, another thing, you have to come to that. You must have heard about it. I don't know if you were there. There was a documentary or teaser about a documentary on Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan.
Oh no.
You have to come to that. No, I'm doing it again in April.
Okay, great.
You don't understand. I was crying. Like, storytelling is
Yeah.
a very, very, it's an art.
Yeah.
And a good story can just take you everywhere.
Absolutely.
And like, it just evoked so
Absolutely.
much, like pride in me and like
Yeah.
nostalgia and also like sadness because of his journey and how he needed
Right.
dialysis and all that.
Also,
So you
it's
have to
also
come-
open to animators, right? Animated,
yeah.
animated
Everything,
movies.
everything.
Right?
It's open to everything except just short films.
Okay.
That's what it's open to, and I'm like, send it to me. And my only thing is like, if I feel something, good, bad, ugly, it doesn't
Right.
matter.
So-
But if it evokes something in me, let's do it.
Right.
So I'm trying to create not only like being like, oh my god, main sirf apni karungi, executive producer, amazing, but also like I want to create a space for young filmmakers to have a space where you're like, oh my god. So someone came to me and they're like, I have made this movie and it's gone to these festivals, but local audience fark hoti hai. Mera dream hai to be like in this Q cinema, the best cinema, da 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 da. I'm like, yes it is. And like, mera dream tha. And I was like, okay, let's make it happen. Like, I want to create a space for young filmmakers where their parents can come. Everyone can't go to, if they get in to like a festival, everyone can't go. Visa issues, बेचारे हम पाकिस्तानियों के बहुत हैं. पाकिस्तानी passport,
जी.
Pakistani passport वाले. So the parents come and the child actor was there, and like it's so emotional, and the taliyan. My one
Yeah,
of
I was
those-
just going to come to that. How's the audience reaction usually? And is it
My
like really raw,
audience is-
unfiltered?
beyond my wildest expectations.
Yeah.
Sometimes I feel like, when you think like, Allah, please, ye kar de. Sometimes if you leave it to God and you're like, okay, I'm going to try my best. I'm going to put in my full effort. Obviously, I'm going to have, the right intentions, and then you leave it. It's sometimes better than you could ever imagine.
Right, absolutely. It always is.
It always is, right?
Yes.
Because we don't even know. Sometimes our best case scenario is, not even something that,
Not something which would work.
Yeah, and
for
उससे
us.
बेहतर ही होता है. So I was just like, Allah, please let this go well. I pray for everything. Like the first time we went for Umrah, I prayed, like I touched the Kaaba. Of course, I was like, oh my God, like लगता बहुत छोटा है दूर से, but when you touch it, you're like expansive, and you feel like, wow, like even
No
like
one's ever told me that.
yeah,
लगता बहुत छोटा है दूर से.
I was like, कितना छोटा लगता है, और वहाँ touch करके लगता है खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा वो काला कपड़ा, and you're like, Allah, first time I went. अच्छा, and my therapist also told me that your feeling when you talk to God or you go for Umrah or something is also a reflection of how you're seeing the world and yourself in it. The first time I went, I was like, Hay Allah, Hay Allah. And I was a teenager, kya hi sin kiya hoega, matlab, please. And I was like, Hay Allah, Hay Allah, like, mujhe maaf kar de, astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah. And many, like, and every time you go, it's a different feeling. So the last time when I was just like full of gratitude and also humility, and I'm just like, okay, fine, give me more years, no more COVID. I have 5 kids, And so I think it's not just like Umrah type thing, but when you're in that zone, I think post-40 and you're in therapy and you're doing self-reflection and inner work. The same thing happened to me when I did, what do you call that thing when you jump out of a plane?
Paragliding? Base jumping?
No, what is it, Queen? Skydiving.
Skydiving. Jeez. I think both the memories are wow.
So skydiving. So I was like, hi, bada maza aayega. Oh my God, I can't tell you, I was totally fine. I did it. My daughter was just turning 12 and, she gone through a lot, like COVID ho gaya, dengue ho gaya, ye ho gaya, wo ho gaya, smog ho gaya. So I was like, this is going to be a thing together. And we went and we did skydiving. She was freaked out. People are attaching, the instructors attaching herself. I was totally fine. As soon as they're like 1, 2, 3, and when we jumped, I got no thrill. I got no happiness. All I kept thinking was, I'm seeing the palm ki shape, okay, in Dubai. Yeah, and I'm like, Allah, Allah, mujhe chale, Allah, ye agar harness ho gaya, mere 5 bachche hain, Allah. And it was so like humbling. It wasn't fun. Okay, what I imagined could be
I mean, I would think the same way.
It was horrible. Yes. And all I kept thinking was, give me one chance, Allah, ye khule na ye cheeze.
Why did I get myself into this?
I was like, what am I thinking? Sometimes you're like, I don't know. Like, I was like, now that I know, it wasn't fun. And I was humbled. Right. And I was like, hi, like you never gave up on me. Allah.
So you forgot about being mindful there.
Mindful? Yes. Zero. It was like humility. It was like, I'm an ant. Yeah. I'm like a brick in a wall. Thank you for even like...
But what is mindfulness for you generally?
Mindfulness is, वो तो एक mindful missy बस उस वक्त cute सा मुझे word मिल गया था. But to be honest, the journey is all about like learning, growing, falling, getting up again. If I had to, sum it up.
Right.
And just being kind to yourself. I was very hard on myself when I was younger. Very hard on myself. कि A minus नहीं आ सकता या
A minus,
नहीं
Jesus
नहीं आ
Christ.
सकता और weight ही होना चाहिए और like very very hard. And then I'm like क्यों? क्या हो जाएगा? No one cares.
one
Like, only I care. It's okay. Like, and my parents have not been like that. कि ये हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा. I was like that. I don't know it's the eldest thing. I don't know it's a what thing. I don't know whatever. Like, you also put yourself, you put these conditions on yourself and you live your life in a certain way. And I was discussing this. My friend was invited to a podcast and she said, I've never been bigger, like in size. So what should I do? And you have to be honest with me. And I was like, oh my God, you have, conquered this, that, made yourself, you're like, again, businesswoman. You've done this, you've done that, you're better than that and you're yourself at every weight. And you can say that very easily to someone else. And I meant it, right?
I mean, you're
I
your
see her.
harshest critic yourself.
Yes,
right?
and I see her like that, and I'm like, what are you talking about?
Yeah.
You have a voice and you have something to say, and you don't have to wait to be the perfect way, to the perfect, sorted out. When I used to be a kid, I used to think 30 mein kitne log sorted honge. Now at 44, I'm like,
Jesus.
60?
I've just like scratched the surface.
I'm like 60? 60? Shayad 60 mein ho. But I don't know. So I do know all those things, and you do know all those things, and you try to practice those things, and you try to have good practices. Like now I have a zikr circle. It gives me so much peace. I have paddle, okay? Like all sorts of things. And therapy. But there is no one who's free of insecurities. There's no one who doesn't doubt themselves on a random Tuesday. There's no one who's having like a sleep. I'm not. My mindful practices might be there, and they keep me sane overall.
Right.
But I'm messy. Okay, so I've tried to now be in a place where I'm accepting the messiness and the magic. That's it.
I mean, just being in the present consciously is
Bada
very,
mushkil hai, bada mushkil hai.
It's very relaxing. Just not to borrow from the future or live in the past.
It is.
Just being here right now, me and you chatting.
I
mean,
think
that's-
you and I
that's really
chatting
fun.
has been the most present I've been
Yeah.
in like
a while.
a really long time because I haven't checked my phone and
Well, thank you so much. I think this is a good way to end this podcast.
Yes, it's been
I wish you
amazing.
the
Thank you so much
best.
for having me.
Thank you. And also, Mindful Missy for everyone who's trying to promote and put in short films. Is there Instagram which we can follow?
Yes,
Mindful-
it's called The Mindful Missy.
The Mindful
and
Missy.
on Instagram and
Alright.
yeah.
All right, fantastic.
Thank you so much. Thank
Pleasure.
you, Amir. It was
Cheers.
amazing.
Thank you.
Cheers.